you're experiencing timeout issues on your Minecraft server, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve the situation. Follow these steps to enhance your server's performance and reduce timeout occurrences. Step 1. Check server hardware. Ensure that your server hardware meets the recommended specifications for running a Minecraft server. This includes having sufficient RAM, a strong CPU, and a stable internet connection. Upgrading hardware can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Optimize server settings. Access your server configuration files and adjust settings such as view distance, NT limits, and tick rates. Lowering the view distance can reduce the load on the server, helping to prevent timeouts. Step 3. Manage plugins and mods. Review the plugins and mods installed on your server. Remove any that are unnecessary or outdated, as they can cause performance issues. Ensure that the remaining plugins are optimized for your server version. Step 4. Monitor server performance. Use monitoring tools to track server performance metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and network latency. Identifying bottlenecks will help you understand what is causing the timeouts and allow you to take targeted action. Step 5. Upgrade internet connection. If your server is hosted on a personal network, consider upgrading your internet connection to a high bandwidth plan. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for minimizing latency and preventing timeouts for players. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your Minecraft server's performance and reduce timeout issues. Regular maintenance and monitoring will help keep your server running smoothly.